Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Vakas and you're watching Mommy Tech. So friend, today I am going to tell you how to erase digit in calculator in iPhone. So friend, without wasting your time, let's start. First of all friend, open calculator, any digit type. Now you want to erase any digit. So friend, swap back, see friend, erase the digit or swap forward. The digit will be erased. So in this way you can erase data of calculator in iPhone. Hopefully you like this video. If you like, please share this video, subscribe my channel, press bell icon button for more videos. Thanks for watching.